Indigo by DJ Paeste in size 80 by 85 cm rounds version 1 starts with alexandrite sprinkled in the blue areas of the painting. So this would be on the feathers, around her head, and also across her eyes. You can choose to highlight more of the area across her eyes. You can also choose to add more on her lips or more on the feathers. It's up to you where you'd like to place your alexandrite, but we suggest and highly recommend that you place it on the blue areas. That way you get a subtle glisten. Zuli's enjoying the special treatment. I got Rocket in front of me over there. Okay, Indigo by DJ Paeste in size 80 by 85 cm rounds version 2 now adds yeah. Now adds electric diamonds. So we have placed the electric diamonds on all of the white areas, and you sprinkle it, well, at least in this case we've sprinkled it on the white parts of the feathers as well as on her headdress, but then we've concentrated on that circle on her forehead as well as on her lips. So you can choose to follow this same special treatment, or you can do it where you focus more on the feathers, but it's really up to you where you would like to place your electric diamonds. This is merely a suggestion, but if you'd like this same look, this is a guide for you that you can follow. So aside from the morganite crystals, we also have for version 3 magenta crystals that are now sprinkled on the dark pink areas. And this would be these areas as well as these areas. You see the magenta crystals. You can also place some of them in the dark black background just to give it a surprising glow, like what it's currently doing now, where you kind of don't see it and then it glows and then it pops. We've also placed them alongside here, over here, over there on top, and a lot of it over here in like that burst of like red color or dark pink color. So this is for version 3 of Indigo by DJ Paeste. Special treatment.